Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our WS-Y9 Ultra smartwatch, and it is using the Fairy Fit application. This time we are going to check on one of its main features, that is the push notifications, and the other one is the Bluetooth call support. So this smartwatch has a support for Bluetooth calls, meaning you can receive and make calls directly on the smartwatch as long as it is connected with its support app, the Fairy Fit, or it is connected to your smartphone. So we are going to test that and see if what are the applications that work with this WS-Y9 smartwatch, as well as the SMS, and of course the phone book and dial pad. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, the Bluetooth phone call demo and push notification demo, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. Our smartwatch here is already paired with the support app. We are connected to the Fairy Fit application, as you can see here. When we install the support app, okay, you can check the video on our channel. We already activated some of the apps here. Okay, so we will activate this one. As you can see, we are already set. Okay, we already accepted the permissions. We still, I don't know if we have already set the contact synchronization. Okay, not yet. So let's see. We will add our contact number to the smartwatch. Let's check it here. Phone book, not yet. Okay, so let's set contact synchronization. We have here our first permission, allow Fairy Fit to access your contacts, allow it. Then let's add this number. Okay, then save. Okay, address book synchronized, completed. Let's see it here. Phone book, and we have our contacts here. Seems like everything is okay. Everything is set. We already set the message push and the app notifications here, as well as the Bluetooth phone call. So let's start and check first the demo, or let's check first the push notifications. So we have here several applications. We have Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, and Messenger. So let's test the first one. Let's go with the Instagram. Alright, so let's start with this app, Instagram. Let's try to send a message. So this is our first try for the WS-Y9 app notification. So hello WS-Y9. Okay, so let's try to send a message. Message sent. So let's wait. Maybe there's a delay. We'll see. Okay, we have here our first notifications. And we now have another one. Okay. Again, for the notifications. So this one, our other smartwatch is paired. We have this one, Xiao D. Hello, WS-Y9, and we have a logo here. You have an option to delete the message. Delete. Long press to delete the message. Yes. Similar to other smartwatches. Long press. Then delete the message. Okay, let's see if the smartwatch supports emoji. Okay, let's send. And we have here hello. So there's no support for emoji, okay, or emoticons. How about the call? Let's see if we can receive a call notification. Okay, someone's calling. Okay, let's wait. And we have here audio call notification. And call ended. Okay, so we have here missed call notification. So it works with the Instagram application. How about the Telegram? So let's try the Telegram application. So let's send a message. Hello, WS-Y9. Okay, so let's send a message. Message sent. And we have it here. Hello, WS-Y9. We have a generic logo here. Okay, generic for the message. So there's no Telegram logo. Let's see if we do have a call. Someone's calling. And call. Let's see. Cancelled call. Did we receive a notification? Okay, let's see. We didn't receive it. Okay, we have here incoming call. Okay, so it works with the Telegram application. So let's start with Viber. Let's see if there's a support for the Viber app. Send a message. Hello, WS-Y9. Message sent. Okay, again. And we have it here. Okay, there's no logo also for the for the Viber app. Okay, we don't have, as you can see here, hello WS-Y9. There's no logo. Next, let's try to call. Calling, someone's calling. Then let's try to end. Let's see, can we receive a notification? No, we did not receive any notification for calls in a Viber app. I don't know, maybe it's delayed or there's no support for missed call. Okay, then let's see. Okay, let's end the call. Or maybe there's a problem with Viber. Okay, and we have here it here. Okay, just a delay, missed calls. Okay, so it works for the Viber app. Next, we have the WhatsApp and the Messenger. So let's start first with the WhatsApp application. Let's say hello. Hello, WS9. WS-Y9. Message sent. And we have it here. And it has its own logo. Unlike the Viber and the Telegram. As you can see here. Nice. Next, let's try to call. Someone's calling. And we have it here. As you can see, we have an option to answer or deny the call for the WhatsApp application and call. Okay, there's a call notification, but you can also answer the call for the WhatsApp on the smartwatch. So that's a pretty cool feature for the WS-Y9 smartwatch. Next, Messenger. So let's try to send a message. Hello. And we receive a message and it has its own logo. Let's see. Oops. Again, hello. And we have it here. Just delay. Hello, WS-Y9. Again. And we have it here. There's no logo also. Just a generic logo for the message notification. How about the call? Can we receive a call? Okay. Calling. Let's wait. And then, as you can see here, you have an option 2 and the call for the Messenger and call. Okay, so it works with the Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, and Messenger. With the WhatsApp application, you can answer the call, but there's no support for all of the app with the emoticons or the emoji. Okay, next, let's go with the SMS message. So hello, WS-Y9. Again, this is text messages. Message sent. Can we receive a notification? No. We did not receive any notifications again. Hello. Message sent. And we have it here. Just a delay for the first one, but we can, as you can see, we can receive a message. Okay. Text. Let's confirm. Text message. Message sent. And we have it here. Okay, so it works with SMS or text messages. Again, it works, the push notification works with Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, and Messenger. So our next demo is the Bluetooth phone call functionality. So let's have a demo with the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, so the phone has been set. So let's start and try the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, let's go to the dial pad. We have here the number. Let's go with the contacts. Okay, let's call this number and let's see. We'll go with the Sam. Okay, so let's call this one and let's see if we can receive a Bluetooth phone call on our smartwatch. And as you can see here, we have the number. So someone's calling. And we have the number here, the caller ID. And you have an option to answer or deny the call. So first, let's try to deny the call. And that's it. Okay, so far as you can see, it works for the Bluetooth phone call. Next, let's have this one, the dial pad. Phone dialer. So let's call this number 0919 809 2094. Calling the number. And let's see. If you can receive a call here, so it works. As you can see here, someone's calling. Okay, then and call. Okay, so the dial pad works. Next, let's try the phone book. Let's call the number. Tap on the phone book. Does it work? Again. Okay. Seems like the phone book is not working. No, it's not working. You have the dialer, it works. Phone set. Call vibration. Again, maybe there's a delay. Okay, so it works now. Let's see if we can receive a call. Okay, so it works for the phone book. Okay, there's a delay, but it works. Then next, call records. Can we see it here? Yes, we do have the call records. Next, let's try to call again and answer it here on the smartwatch. Let's dial the number. Let's put this aside. And let's try to answer the call. Okay, someone's calling. We have an option to deny the call or end the call or answer the call. So let's try to answer the call. Hello? The Bluetooth call works with the WS-Y9. Okay, so the Bluetooth phone call works and seems like we do have a very good speaker. Very loud so far. Again, as you can see, the Bluetooth phone call or the Bluetooth call feature of the WS-Y9 works, as well as the text messages and the app notifications. It's a pretty cool smartwatch and it is very affordable. And seems like the Fairy Fit application on Android is very stable. Still we are, let's see, are we still connected? Yes, we are still connected, as you can see here, and very easy to set so far. So that's it for the demo of the Bluetooth call as well as the push notifications for the WS-Y9 Ultra smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Bye!